Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are good and safe at your home. I am Indu Singh and today I am going to take your GK class. Students, GK means general knowledge. So in this class we will discuss about our nature. So children, listen carefully. Nature is a beautiful creation of God. It is a precious gift to all of us living on earth. Nature provides us so many things like animals, birds and plants, etc. Children, you see, I have written here Unit 1 Beautiful Nature. In this unit, we have 7 chapters. Okay, and now I am going to explain you these chapters one by one. Okay, children, now I am going to explain you chapter 1, that is fruit message. Children, do you like to eat fruits? Yes, very good. We should eat fruits every day. Fruits are the fleshy edible part of a tree that has seeds. They come in different flavors and there are many reasons to eat fruits daily. We should eat fruits after our meals and we get vitamin, minerals and many essential nutrients from the fruit. Okay, so children, you should eat fruits every day. Okay, now I am going to show you some pictures of fruits and I will tell you their names one by one. First is watermelon. Second is pomegranate. Third is melon. Fourth is cherry. Fifth is papaya. Sixth is grapes. Seventh is pineapple. Eighth is banana. Ninth is pear. 10th is apple. 11th is orange. And last one is mango. Students, let's move on to next chapter, that is trees are friends. Students, trees are important for the earth and its environment and for all life forms. It is very important to save trees. So, children, we should not cut trees. We should always save trees. Understood? Students, trees are very useful for us because we get many things from trees like vegetables, sugar, paper, tea, wood and fruits and many more things. Students, our third chapter is food of animals. Okay, students, animals are like us. They need a home to live in and they also need water to drink like us. They depend on plants and other animals for their food. Different animals eat different types of food. Okay. For example, monkey likes to eat banana. Elephants like to eat sugar cane. Squirrel likes to eat nuts. Deer likes to eat grass. Dog likes to eat bone. Snake likes to eat rat. Otters like to eat fish. And parrot likes to eat chili. Okay. Students, Our fourth chapter is leafy lot. In fourth chapter, let's learn about different types of leaves. Students, do you know that leaf is called food factory or kitchen of the plants because it is where the food for the plant is made, and leaves come in different colors and in different shapes. Understood? Students, here is some pictures of leaves and I will tell you their names one by one. So first is coriander leaves. Second is neem leaves. Third is tulsi leaves. Fourth is curry leaves. Fifth is banana leaf. Sixth is lotus leaf. Seventh is mint leaves. And last one is rose leaf. Okay. Students, our next chapter is fifth, that is in the wild. In this chapter, we are going to learn about wild animals. The wild animals which live in jungle are called as wild animals. They eat grass and flesh. And some animals are very dangerous and some animals are not dangerous for us. Understood? Students, I have some pictures of wild animals. Let's see one by one. First is jackal. Second is hippopotamus. Third is gharial. Fourth is okapi. Fifth is antelope. And sixth is kangaroo. Okay. Our sixth chapter is farm animals. In this chapter, we are going to learn about farm animals. Okay. The animals which live in farm are called as farm animals. They eat grass, plants and grains. And they give us many things like milk, eggs, meat, etc. Understood? I will show you some pictures of farm animals. First one is dog. Second one is buffalo. Third one is cow. Fourth one is hen. Fifth one is donkey. Sixth one is sheep. Seventh one is camel. Eighth one is horse. And the last one is goat. Students, our last chapter is friends which fly. In this chapter, we are going to learn about birds. Birds are flying creatures in the sky. They come in different colors and in different size. They eat insects and grains. Some birds can fly like parrot, pigeon, peacock, etc. And some birds cannot fly like penguin, kiwi, ostrich, etc. Okay. Students, I have some pictures of birds. So listen carefully. I will tell you their names. First one is penguin. Second one is ostrich. Third one is woodpecker. Fourth one is vulture. Fifth one is turkey. Sixth one is kiwi. Seventh one is sparrow. Eighth one is pelican. And ninth one is kingfisher. Understood? Students, I hope you all enjoyed this class. And you have to complete Unit 1 in your GK book. Okay? So children, take care and have a good day. Bye bye.